Oh shoot! Oh!
Please be careful. Oh my god!
I think they're hurt. I'm not even kidding.
I look out across the water. I smell the salt. I feel the breeze. But in my heart I hear the calling of my old home, Tennessee.
Alrighty guys, peace. So right now we are on a freaking bus right now with no roof. And oh my god, these seats are so hot. Guys, so right now we are about to go tubing. Look at the tubes right there. They're gonna take us 2 miles into the river and we're gonna be in the river for like 5 hours because that's how long it freaking takes. So we're gonna go tubing. We're gonna have a lot of fun. Let's go.
Rain keeps on falling, but I can't feel it crawling down my skin. Numb to the world outside, I let the water fill me from within. You used to walk beside me, I used to be another man.
Alrighty guys, people, so we are here. They're about to get to the tube. They say that the rapids right now, they are insane. So we have to be really careful. You hearing, ladies?
Me, I gotta be very
So we gotta be extremely careful that we don't fall or pop our tube. So wish us luck. She's jumping. Oh!
Oh my god, that's so cold!
Oh my god. Alright guys, we're going in. Ready? Wait. You see, we should have gotten the room. Oh my god, we're doing this. Oh.
Oh my god. Oh no! Willie!
Oh my god. Oh shoot. Wait, there's a rock in my butt. Oh! Oh my lord. Oh wait, there's a rock. Ah! Ah! It's good. Oh! This is so cold. Oh my god, guys, we just made some friends over there and we're all freaking terrified. We're all from Florida. We're not used to this. So yo, what if like a fish bites my butt? Yo. Oh wait, she got stuck. No. No, this can't happen. Come on. Come on, push.
You're still on the...
Okay, good. Oh my god. Guys, this is freaking beautiful.
What if we see a bear drinking water?
Bueno, just don't move.
I don't know how to swim.
Look at this. Oh my god. Yo, there's no alligators here, right? Because my butt is in the water, and what if like an alligator bites my booty? You know what I'm talking?
Yo, listen, when we go to rocks, you gotta lift up your butt. Mira, ¿sí, no?
Ay, 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 ay. Ay! Oh my god! Wait, there's a big rat! There's one in my butt!
Oh, that was pretty fun!
Yeah. Oh my lordy lord. I heard that there's gonna be more crazier rapids over there, so I'll keep you guys updated. Oh my god. Alrighty guys, peeps, now we're going to our first water.
Oh my god.
Yo, we're literally gonna go down a waterfall right now.
We're going to the rocks.
Holy smokes.
Oh my god, please, God.
Pretty fast.
Oh my god.
Oh! Oh! My goodness! Oh my god! Oh! Oh!
Oh my god.
Oh my! Oh, there's another one! There's another one! Oh, shoot! Oh! Oh! Yo, this is not relaxing. I thought this was really relaxing. Whoa! Oh! Oh my god, I'm so cold! Oh my god, I'm going backwards. Ah!
I don't want to go backwards!
Stop yelling! Oh my god! Look at your... Oh, she almost fell.
Oh my god!
Okay, this is a relaxing...
Please do not let go of me.
This is so terrifying. I don't want to be close to the woods. I'm scared there's a bear. Oh my god, I can't see anything.
Let go of me. Let go. I swear to God, I won't start crying.
I know you.
No.
We're gonna get stuck on those rocks.
At least we'll get stuck together.
No, I'm letting go. Let me go. I'm not gonna let go.
Letting go of you.
My Belize.
You're gonna let go of me. I know you are.
I'm not.
We have to wait for Nene.
Look what you put us through. We gotta go this way.
Just push off from the rock.
How?
I don't know.
We just got stuck there for like, I'm not even kidding, like 5 minutes. Oh! I got that on camera. Wait for me. Oh shit. Buddy, you being by myself and the last one of the group in a lake. What is that? Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. No. No, no. Oh. Ah! Guys, that guy caught something. Let's see what he caught. Oh, whoa, whoa. You're going. Oh, I see it. Nice. Come on, take it out. Oh, whoa, whoa, he almost fell.
I'm at my all-time low. Baby, just take me home tonight.
So my bellies, how are you enjoying your time?
It's very nice, very calm.
Yeah?
There's no movement at all.
There's no movement at all, that's for sure.
Very relaxing.
There's a lot of sun. Oh, did you mention that the water is really hot as well?
It's so warm, you know?
It's very warm, guys. It's like a jacuzzi. Very warm, very nice, very relaxing. She's having a horrible time. Shoot, guys, I'm in this room by myself. Oh, shoot. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, shoot. Oh, yeah. Oh, shoot. Oh my god. Holy shoot. Nene! Get on it! Holy shoot! Oh my god! Yo, that was hilarious. Pee so bad. What if I pee here? That's a good idea.
Okay, come on.
Oh, I don't know. I'm trying to throw it.
Oh my god.
It does reach.
Okay, any last words?
I don't know.
Please be careful.
Oh shoot. Okay.
Okay.
I have an audience.
Hold on hard.
Oh.
You got this.
Wait. Ah!
3. Oh my god. Did it! Feel.
I belly flopped it.
Oh my god. So how did it feel? The adrenaline?
Oh, that was fun.
Go do it again. Too scared, Nene? Would you do it? Or are you gonna do it?
I don't know.
William, any last words
No,
to your
not
people?
swears.
Like and subscribe. Oh my god. Okay, guys. The moment we've been waiting for. Drum roll. Okay, let's count down. 3, 2, 1, go! Woo! Oh my god! Oh. Come on, Nene, your turn. It's your turn to do it. From the tree, I don't know, Nene. You're a little clumsy. Guys, should Nene do it? She's a little clumsy. William, how did it feel?
Really deep.
On a scale of 1 to 10.
Good.
You gonna do it again? Do a flip, do a flip. Now listen, on a
I
serious
can actually
note.
try to do a flip.
Wait.
It was a lot of fun. Let's go.
And like that, she wants to go on the tree. Nene, you're not going on the tree, okay?
Guys, oh my god, yo, I kid you not. My belly and sister almost drowned. We crashed against a tree really bad. They're all the way over there. Oh my god, I hope she's okay. Oh my god. Holy shoot. Wait, let me try to grab onto something. I think they're hurt. I'm not even kidding.
Maybe you will tell me what you're thinking.